In this example, we're going to look at creating a many-to-many relationship between courses and classrooms. Over time, one classroom can be used to facilitate many different courses. Likewise, a course can be held in many different classrooms. In Salesforce, in order to establish a many-to-many relationship, you must use a junction object. In this scenario, we will call our junction object course offering. And this object will be used to describe elements like when the course starts, when it ends, and what its current occupancy is. The classroom, on the other hand, will be used to describe the maximum occupancy of that course offering. Let's take a look at how this relationship gets established in Salesforce. Alright, so I've defined my classroom, course, and course offering objects. In my classroom, I have maximum number of seats, which will be used to determine maximum occupancy. And on my course offering, I have current occupancy, a start date, and an end date. But I haven't established the relationship between these objects yet, so that's what I'm going to do now. Now in this example, I'll create a relationship from course offering to classroom. And I'm going to use a master detail for this relationship because I want the classroom, if a classroom is deleted, I want the cascading deletion to occur on the course offering as well. And we're going to do the same for course. So two master detail relationships to join the two objects, which is fairly common. Okay. And we're going to need to customize the related lists on both objects, as we'll see in a moment. So I'm going to create the second master detail relationship. My objects are joined together. You can see course offering has a master object of classroom and course. Now I'm going to go in and create a course. And you can see here that I have course offerings listed below. So I'll create a new course offering. And we'll say that we'll offer this math course from the 1st of December through February 1st. And we'll offer this in the lecture hall. Current occupancy is 50. So we'll save this. You can see here that I have course offerings listed below on the course, but there isn't really a great deal of information associated with it. So in order to customize the information that's displayed, what's actually going to happen here is when I go and I customize this course offering, I'm going to want to pull in details about the classroom. So here's my start date, my end date, let's say that I want to see the current occupancy and the maximum number of seats. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And you can see here that I've got all of this displayed information. It's actually a combination of data pulled from the classroom, as you can see the name of the classroom here, and also the number of seats, with data from the course offering record itself. So the start date, the end date, and the occupancy. Now if I click on the course offering, you'll see the course offering details here, and then I can click on the classroom, so all of this information is linked together. I customized the page layout on the course, now I need to do the same on the classroom. So you can see here I've customized the list so that I can see the course that's offered, the start date, and the end date. Now I can't display the number of seats next to current occupancy because the number of current seats is actually listed on the classroom object. However, this may be one scenario where we want to use a cross-object formula. So when you look at the course offering, you can see here that on this record, I don't have an easy way to see the maximum occupancy. What I'm going to do is go in and create a cross-object formula that will display the maximum occupancy, which is really just going to be the number of seats from the associated classroom. So I'm going to look up the classroom, and I'm going to pull down the number of seats. Now I can refresh this page, and you can see here that maximum occupancy has been added, and I can customize this layout pretty quickly as well. Now, as formula fields are read-only, so if I want to change the maximum occupancy, I need to go to the classroom and actually edit the field on the classroom. This would allow me to then display that information, the maximum occupancy information, next to current occupancy, so that the layouts are the same on both classroom and course. So there you have it. So that's just a brief overview of how to create a many-to-many relationship in Salesforce. And this data model doesn't account for students being able to register for classes or anything like that, which is also possible to do if you extend out the data model. But I hope this provides a good overview.